Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. If you are using Facebook Messenger and you want to recover your deleted messages, let's see how can you do that. So basically there's no any direct way to recover your deleted messages, but you can also try to recover your messages by using simple steps. Very first you have to open your Messenger app, and here just tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner, and then go to archive section here, and here you have to make sure that the message you want to recover is not in your archive section. If you find it here, so you can easily try to unarchive a message and it will be automatically recovered into your chat section. Or you can also try to check this message request option to check if your message is not in your request. So sometimes it might be that there will be any glitch or any issue or any privacy setting with your message, so you will not get in your chats, but you can get into this message request. If you can't find the message here, so it may be that you have deleted the message, you just have to open your Facebook app here, and here's the only way to do that, to recover your Facebook messages. Just go to your menu option in the bottom right corner here, then tap on settings and privacy option, tap on settings here, and here select account center, then select your information and permissions, and here select export your information here, and here you just have to tap on create export, then select your Facebook account, select export to device here, and once you are on your confirm your export page, you just have to tap on this customize information and clear all of these. So try to clear all of these, there's no any further informations. So once you have cleared, you just have to select messages, then tap on save option, and here just tap on this start export. So here you have to enter your account password. Once you have entered your account password, you will get a file. You can easily download that using your Facebook app here. Here you will get a download file. So once you have downloaded your file, you can easily get it into your files app, and you can open it and read all of your deleted messages. So in this way you can easily recover your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.